Alright, get a few leaves of scent leaf. That is different in Yoruba. A few leaves like this is enough for this home remedy that we are going to prepare. You see that? This is scent leaf. That is Ocimum gratissimum. That is the botanical name of the leaf. So we have these few leaves here. It's enough to prepare this remedy. Next, you wash the scent leaf with salt water. Add a little salt. Wash it for like 1 minute. This is to remove any bacteria on the leaves. Just follow along and stick to the end of this video to see every step needed to prepare this home remedy. So after washing the salt water like this, then you pour the salt water away and wash it again with clean water. So you wash it again with clean water. Okay. See that? Then you add that one. So get good quantity of ginger. After peeling it like this, cut it in smaller pieces. Wash it. Put it inside the blender. Add warm water. You can see warm water here. Sieve it. If you like, you can drink everything without sieving it. So you drink this in the morning, after food, and also at night. Yes. Very good remedy. Try this and see. Don't forget to like and share the video. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. Until another time, bye.